Hello guys, so welcome back to the Code Military, and in this video we're going to learn a very cool thing, that is a React.js project. And it was one of the very cool React.js project that you can add up in your resume to boost your resume and get it shortlisted for the interviews. Okay, so guys, you can find here lots of videos on my channel, like React.js basic videos, and I also uploaded a full playlist of how to create a Angular project, and I've also created a full stack Angular project. Here you can see this is blog project for Angular. Okay guys, and you can also find many interview experiences video. So the agenda of this video is to create a cool project from React, and in this video I will tell you about how to create a project for Image Resizer. In this video I have created a resizer program or application which you generally find on sites that used to resize the image, reduce the storage capacity, reduce the storage space of a image. Okay, so it basically a image resizer, and we are going to learn how to create such one using React.js. And this can be a cool project, and it would be you can add up in your resume to highlight the knowledge of React.js. And so let's begin with our tutorial. But before that, I would request all of you to please subscribe my channel. This will motivate me to create such videos for you. And I know that you are looking for cool projects for a resume, so my purpose is to deliver you the best project, unique projects for your resume. Okay guys, so please subscribe and motivate me. Okay, so let's come back to our project. So our project basically uses image compression library from react.js. You can read from there. Okay, so let me just demonstrate how this web application works, how the image resizing works. So let me choose a file from here. Just click on and just choose a file, and I will also show what is the size of the file, as you can see. So let me just go to download sections, and you can see the file name. Let me just check out a file which is of bigger size. So you can see here pnfind.com earth.png. So you can see this file size is 3.85 MB. Let's just click on it and upload it. Okay, so this file size is very large. I will just compress it. Okay, so just press compress, and you can see here the size is reduced, but the quality is as same as this. Okay, so it will reduce only up to 80% of the 80% of the quality. Like if this is 100%, so it will be just 80% of it. And just you need to press download. Let's just save it. Okay, and let's just show in folder. So we have not just opened our downloads, and you can see that the size has reduced to 403 KB. So this is how the image compression works, and it uses basically a dependency of React.js, that is image compression library. Okay, so coming back, so this was our cool demonstration of our project that are going to build in this session. Okay, so let's just go to our first step. The first step is to install Node.js. If you already installed it, please skip this step. But those who haven't installed Node.js, they can install. If you want to search whether it is installed in your library, in your system or not, you can just type in the search bar node.js, or you can check npm command in your command prompt. Okay, so those who have not downloaded it yet, just type node.js in your search bar, and you go to nodejs.org, and you can directly go to downloads. You can see here there are two kinds of, that is current latest feature, and 18.12.1, that is LTS. This is for Windows. You can also download for Mac OS, right? Let's go to download section. You can see here Mac OS installer. Okay guys, so you can download it from here, and some organization do little modification to the basic node configuration, so they can just download source code. So it is not of our use. You can choose between the two depending on your system. So just remove it, and let's go back to our VS code where we would create a React projects. Okay guys, so let's go to our search bar here and just type VS Code. Not from here, let us just create a folder, and from there we'll open our VS Code. So let's go to our section and just okay guys, so we have come to our D directory. You can create your folder anywhere, so I'll just create here a folder, and I let me just name it as Image Resizer Project. Okay guys, and we'll just go to inside the folder, right? So inside the folder we'll just create a project. So for creating a project, let's just open VS Code. From here, for that just type cmd, and the moment you open cmd, you need to type code dot. Okay guys, so this is the shortcut for opening VS Code in any folder. Just press it, and now you can see the VS Code is open. Okay, let me just close the useless instances that are currently running, as it will consume the. Okay, so we have come to our VS Code, and we'll just start our project by creating a React project. So what is the command for React project? Okay, I will tell you in a short. Let me just open my terminal here. Okay, so now you can see the terminal here. Okay, so first thing, after installing the Node.js, you have to set the path of Node.js, and that you can do. I believe you can do, just go on Chrome or any browser and search how to set path for Node.js. Okay, so the moment you set path for Node.js, you can check by running the npm command, npm minus v. It will tell you the version of the npm, that is 6.14.11. Okay, so you can get it here, and okay, so our first command how to create a React project is to write the command npx. Let me just make the size bigger. Okay, zoom in the view section, editor layout, appearance, right? And sure. Okay, so now it is more visible to you, right? So npx create React app. You can type this command, create React app, and then you can give the name of your React project. So I am giving the name is a Image Resizer. Just press enter, and it will create the React app, all the required files. So you can see basically it's installs React, React DOM, and React scripts. Okay, and CRA. The CRA basically is create React app. Okay, so it will just download it, and this might take a couple of minutes. So just wait for a minute. So let me pause the recording so that it can be installed. Okay guys, so our project has been created, and you can see we have given some command also, like npm start for starting the development server, and npm run build that builds the app into static files. Okay, for production, so when we want the file ready for the production, the project, okay, so we'll run the command npm run build, and it will create a folder which contains all the files, build files that can be used for production, right? And so we'll just run our project by typing npm start, right? Okay, there is a error. The error is due to we are not in the project, we are just in the Image Resizer project. Okay, so we'll change directory to our project Image Resizer. So we've come to our project, and then we'll type npm start. Now the script is running, and you can see starting the development server. Let me just close the previous one. Okay, so now it will just loading, and now if you see this screen, that means all the required files have been successfully installed, and you have created the started the project. So from now In the next video, we'll learn how to create the logic for the app just we just saw in the beginning of this video, and we'll create the whole app. So thank you guys for watching this video till end. If you find any confusion or any sort of problem, please write in comment section. I will answer each of comments, don't worry. So thank you guys for watching this video, and please subscribe to channel and stay tuned to complete this project. Thank you all.